let's get right into the video. I have here my ingredients. I have the potato fries I've turned into flour with my food processor, 3 eggs with their yolks, homemade breadcrumbs. I'll show you its video later. I have some spices as well, white pepper, garlic powder, and nutmeg. Then my binding agents. I have cream cheese. Yes, cream cheese. This is the vegetable kind. This is an experimental style of food, so let's see how it comes out. I also have milk. Forgot to mention that earlier. I'm going to start by mixing the cream cheese into my flour. I want a consistency that allows me to turn these into balls. So I'm going to mix the cream cheese in batches in order to mix them very well. I must say, this wasn't easy. What makes yam balls easier to make is that when you boil the yams, you have some liquid or water in the yams when you mash them. So it helps you incorporate your binding agents and get balls quickly. But mine is dry. It's just dry fries turned into flour. It's going to be a very difficult task trying to get them to become balls. But hey, we're going to do it, so let's do it. This video will be in my Albright leftovers playlist, so check that playlist out, and also my other collection, Food and Me. With that being said, subscribe, and comment. Please comment. Shout out to my girl Abno Free for all your comments on all my videos. Thank you so much. And please comment what other leftovers you have for me to turn into different kinds of food. I would like to know in the comment section. Let's communicate over there. It's now time to see if this will survive in hot oil. I first form balls with it, then wrap the balls between my palms to see if it will retain its shape. As you can see, this first one's crumbled, so I have to find something else to make this recipe possible. I'm going to add some milk to it and mix it little by little in batches to see if I can have what I want. At this point, the batter was soft enough to form the balls I wanted, and I knew this time it would stand the pressure between my palms. Now I'm going to mix my spices and add a bit to my egg mixture and also my breadcrumbs. Then I'll add the milk to my egg mixture as well and stir it all. I'll take this close to my stove. Then I'm going to coat my balls with breadcrumbs, with eggs, then breadcrumbs, and fry it to have my yam balls. Note that the milk in the egg mixture is going to make these balls brown quickly on the outside, so it's important to actually have cooked fries that you mash into the flour for this recipe, because if you have raw fries, you may not have the time or the opportunity to fry it enough and it may come out raw. It's now time to fry the balls. Use enough oil so you can deep fry this mixture, and also apply all necessary precautions when dropping the balls into the oil. I had mine with ketchup. You can have yours with any condiment you have or any way you like to enjoy your yam balls. If you liked this video, you will love more of my videos. So check out my food and me playlist and also the Albright Loves Leftover playlist. See you soon. Bye.